something that people do as a part of their routine is, in addition to movements like this, you want to get your running motion, right? That quickness of doing this. And again, you can do this, just knee raises. Walking speed, running speed, jogging speed. Just put your hands wherever you want them to be to make sure that you don't cheat yourself and that you actually raise it. And make sure that your hand doesn't do this like I just did, but your hands are steady and you're doing this. And again, you can do this from walking speed, jogging speed, or sprinting as fast as you can. And no matter, again, you can do this in just, you don't need to run, you can do this in space and train your entire leg muscle essentially, but also your quickness and speed. And if you do this enough, and if you play sports, you can't go without these drills, because you'll see just how faster you became, how much quicker you became from just not even doing these drills a lot. And you'll compare yourself to how you were doing before and you'll realize, like, you should always be doing this kind of stuff.